Hi, this is Joe from KickinEspresso, and this website demo is for Dana Pound of Clonmel Farm. So, based off your feedback in our first meeting, Dana, I took a lot about the original website that's currently up right now. A lot of the copy, features, and everything like that, and I placed it into a version for your new website. So this is what I have in terms of a header. This is the top section of it. This is actually a slider. So this image is actually interchangeable. I just kind of picked a generic stock photo of horses, but once you send me your images, from all the things you've gathered over the years, I could place maybe a more relevant picture up here. But I just kind of wanted to get you the idea of what it could look like. So there's these arrows right here that scroll, and you can have several nice little header images up here to kind of showcase the farm and some of the other aspects of it. So then, it's basically this type of website is called Parallax, and it's kind of like built to be one page, very simplistic, easy to navigate. Everything is pretty much up here, and you click on something and it scrolls down to the relative area of where you're going to. So after the header we have a short about us. And I basically took the copy from your website right now. If you want me to put something different in there, we can obviously do that. I also have a nice little slider right here to the right showing some of the scenery. Looks really nice. And then right down here I have your individual bios for the team at Clonmel. So here for yours, Dana, you mentioned you wanted your personal social media plugged, so we can do that. We can link to maybe a description about your biography itself in text form, and then we can have also Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Skype, LinkedIn. The sky's the limit, really. Whatever social media feeds you want to use, we can plug. The same thing for everybody else. Karen, she can have the same option, as well as Lisa. So we have a short testimonial section here where we can put whatever you want there from the years of your students and that type of thing. This is kind of like a nice slider effect for kind of a progress bar. It basically shows some of the skills and things you can do. Just something I threw in there to take up the right space. We can take that out or change it around. Really everything is editable, you see here, so it's not set in stone. One thing I wanted to improve on was your lessons table. I noticed on the other website that it was kind of just bland and generic, so I got you a really nice pricing table out here. Kind of defines what you guys are about in terms of your lessons. I had limited criteria to work with, so please, if you see some more bullet points you'd like to add to these plans, we can edit that, and we can also make them orderable on your website through PayPal or some other type of simple checkout, so people can book right from your website. And then you have, a listing of your services, what you do other than lessons. Have boarding, facility, the pony camps, the horse shows. And then we have down here, it's more or less kind of a portfolio of the horses that you're going to be showcasing. So, I basically split these up into certain categories. I don't know if these are actually represent the breeds that you have, but there's a thoroughbred, Clydesdale, Mustang, and I basically used the exact same picture, but it's meant to showcase each individual horse's attributes. I just made up a horse name, Cool Buggy. I don't and you can just throw their name there. A description will also go underneath. But yeah, I mean, these are just stock photos right now, but they will be, pictures of the actual horses that you guys are looking to sell or breed or whatever. And, for people to go on the website and actually take an in-depth look at. You have a call to action right here. The blog, you mentioned that was going to be something else that was going to be, pretty specific you want to do on your site. So we allow you to plug your different articles right here for people to view. Then we have a contact page. So I have the the address of the farm, and then there's a contact form where people can basically get in touch with you, put in their name, their information, their email, all that good stuff. And yeah, basically send it out. So, and then we have the footer down here. Once again, we can plug the social media. So this could be the social media just specifically for the farm, not your personal social media or your employees' personal social media. Yeah, so that's about it. It's kind of a brief overview of some of the things we can do. I mean, there's also other features we can add. You know, if you see something that is missing that you would like on the website, by all means, let me know in your feedback. But yeah, I mean, I'll send this out to you in email, and then hopefully, if everything looks good, we can start developing your site and go from there. So I appreciate your time. Thanks.